Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning driving school layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look at the driving school layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It has a nice color palette and high quality images included, as you can see, and you are free to use these images without any restrictions and for all kinds of purposes, even commercial ones. So go ahead and grab this layout pack. And as you can see, the overall look and feel is really structured. The page structure is on point, and you can do all kinds of things with this layout pack. So you can create other kinds of website. Doesn't necessarily have to be a driving school website. Let's take a look at the other pages as well, such as the courses page. As you can see over here, it has a very nice hero section and enough call to actions for you to get started and get new customers through your website. And if you want to take a look at this layout pack without actually having to install it on your own website, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts, and over here you have all of the layout packs which you can use and combine with each other to create your own website. And if you scroll down, you'll come across the driving school layout pack, which is the most recent one. If you click on it, you'll see all of the available layouts, and you can view the live demo before actually using it on your own website by clicking on the blue button which says view live demo. And over here you have all of the layouts that you can choose from, and you can scroll through these layouts to see what the look and feel is and decide whether or not you want to use these on your own website. And once you create your own website using these layouts, you can get started. So you can modify everything that you come across on any layout using Divi's built-in options only. And I'm going to demonstrate some things that you can do with it by enabling the visual builder on the landing page. So for instance, you can change the color palette that is present. So over here you can see that we have this orange color that returns in several elements throughout the entire page. And of course, you don't have to change all of these elements manually. You can just change the color in a few clicks, and I'll show you how to do that. So we have this text module over here, and if I open the settings and go to the background settings over here, I'll see the color that is being used. And if I want to change this, I'll simply have to right click and click on find and replace. So this is the color code that we're using at this moment, and we're going to change it throughout the entire page, and we'll replace it with another color. And I'll just pick one. And then I'm also going to enable the replace all found values within every option type, not limited to background color, to make sure that I have all of the elements that have this color. And then I'm just going to click on replace. So this makes it super easy to adjust the layouts to the color of your logo, for instance, or any other color palette that you want to use. And of course, you can change the copy of each one of the modules, text modules, or other modules as well. You can play around with the background overlays to create a lighter look and feel or a darker one, or give it a little bit of color. So go ahead and experiment with all of these built-in options. Let us know what you think of this layout pack and what you're going to use it for in the comment section. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.